USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this very important, very, very crucial civil justice closure sign off that I'm providing for myself. And again, one more time, I'm repeating it is multitasking as well, and I am also displaying the true scandal of absolute monarchs upfront to the United States of government. That way, I can earn salary out of that finance aid for displaying the government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs as well. And then United States of America to sign off the job offer, then I have to start the job. I'm ready to start the job immediate, and this initial finance aid can help me to take care of my basic essentials during the transition period from being unemployed to the employed mode. And yes, I'm in absolute finance crisis mode, and I need immediate help, and I wish USA government provides me the timely help. Okay, so I will continue to read this civil justice sign off, and it is because United States of America nation with fatal negligence, right? And a nation cannot be proud as being fatal negligent. That itself is a crime. And then the nation, the United States of America nation, do not have any birthright to enforce poverty for me. But however, this civil justice sign-off is because United States of America enforced poverty to me by United States of America with fatal negligence created robocall poverty mandate and enforced poverty and finance disability to me. And I need civil justice to be served now. And it is according to the Holy Bible, civil law guidelines only, to be on the same page, right? Okay, so I will read the civil justice sign-off that signed off for myself. For I am Vedapriya, the prose, the true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis' Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021, any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account to I am Vedapriya prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica, Mecca as in Sunni Islam, Shia Islam, Sharia law, Burqa hijab mandate in Saudi Arabia, as in one of the nation in United Arab Emirates landmass. They never educated USA Republican government can never enforce poverty, and USA can never create robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and it is fatal negligence of Mecca as in Sunni Islam, Shia Islam, Sharia law, Burqa hijab mandate in Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates to be fatal negligence. So either USA government should say knows who is Republica, Mecca as in Sunni Islam, Shia Islam, Sharia law, Burqa hijab mandate in Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates, or either USA government should say don't know who is Republica, Mecca as in Sunni Islam, Shia Islam, Sharia law, Burqa hijab mandate in Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates. So what is the error? The error is Mecca as in Sunni Islam, Shia Islam, Sharia law, Burqa hijab mandate in Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates created robocall poverty mandate, and it is deadliest crime of as of February 2021, and it comes under the classification code of domestic violence and the sub-classification code of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation of injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, trespass to land types, and trespass to chattels. So, as of February 2021, civil justice sign-off to be served to I Vedapriya prose for I am signing civil justice for myself is I Vedapriya prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text for ongoing civil justice sign-off. So Republica Mecca as in Sunni Islam, Shia Islam, Sharia law, Burqa hijab mandate in Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates with fatal negligence failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall poverty mandate and by default created Republica USA robocall poverty mandate to I Vedapriya prose, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republica government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, then Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh, Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I. Vedapriya Prose abruptly on October 2018, and Republican government of United States of America, they took away $4,500 on October 2018 abruptly and enforced finance debt of $10,210.38 since October 2018, October 2019, and October 2020, and as of today, February 6th, 2021 and beyond. Because this February 6th, I wrote it long time back. I should have updated the text, but I will update it down the road. Just be aware of it, okay? Then the finance disability to I, Vedapriya Prose abruptly. So it is crime for Republica Mecca, as in Republica Sunni Islam, Republica Shia Islam, Republica Sharia law, Republica Burqa hijab mandate, as in Republica Saudi Arabia, Republica United Arab Emirates. When ruling USA, they never educated USA, should never provide enforced poverty to I. Vedapriya Prose. So the civil justices, I. Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,210.38 and sign off tax-free $4,500 direct deposit to my bank account. And Mecca, as in Sunni Islam, Shia Islam, Sharia law, each Islam, Judaism, Zionism, Burqa hijab clothing type mandate in Saudi Arabia, in United Arab Emirates, each of them must sign off tax-free $1,000 billion. So that means each Islam leaders, then each Burqa clothing type, right, and each Sunni Islam caliphate type, and each Shia Islam caliphate type, each Sharia law caliphate type, they all must pay each $1,000 billion to my bank account, direct deposit to my bank account. And at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, and Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be on the same page. And for I. Vedapriya Prose displayed the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I. Vedapriya Prose for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I. Vedapriya Prose want USA to rename the Lord Ripon building in Tamil Nadu, India after my name as Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Prose to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Prose becomes Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Prose becomes Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations now is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Prose to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organization, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children and Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Exports, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Prose to be the ambassador for all nations starting with India is civil justice served. And I. Vedapriya Prose should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And I hope we are all in the same page on the ongoing, very complex, very crucial, very important civil justice sign off, and I'm signing it for myself, and it is also having a multitasking, and I'm also displaying the United States of American government errors up front, and also the scandal of absolute monarchs, so that way I can also earn salary in the rightful way when USA provides me the finance aid accordingly. And I'm ready to start the job, and I'm waiting for the USA government to sign off the job offer to me as well. So talk to you all soon and have a good day. And yes, I sure will get the civil justice in a perfect way for entire human kingdom worldwide. Talk to you all soon. Have a good day. Bye now.